ooh la la. They giggled loud and tapped their feet. Learning makes our day complete. What's your favorite subject today? Come along, shout hip hooray. Math or science, art or song, in every class we all belong. It belong. Math is fun, 2 plus 2. I love the puzzles I can do. Science rocks, let's see it fizz. What makes rain and why that is. Music makes the classroom swing. Do, re, mi, we love to sing. What's your favorite subject today? Come along, shout hip hooray. Math or science, art or song, in every class we all belong. Music makes the classroom swing. Do, re, mi, we love to sing. What's your favorite subject today? Come along, shout hip hooray. English tales or numbers tight, each new lesson feels just right. Some love maps and flags to see, turning countries A to Z. Others draw or plant a seed. Every subject meets a need. Chunni smiled, let's try them all. Munni cheered, big or small. Every subject helps us grow. So much more we get to know. What's your favorite subject today? Let's all learn in our own way. With Chunni Munni books in hand, we'll explore and understand.